Hello everyone! Today we are talking about smart contracts. But first, let's rehearse a bit what blockchain is. Blockchain allows us to send so-called cryptocurrency without trusting to any third parties. Let's say Bob can send 8 credits to Alice, and let's consider an example. Alice sells cakes and the price of each cake is 10 credits. Alice can use a smart contract to put a condition on incoming payments. In this example, any payment to smart contract which not equals to 10 credits will be rejected. This code will be executed on each node of a blockchain and have to yield the same result. Otherwise, nodes of blockchain won't reach a consensus. That's why code of smart contract should be deterministic. It means that for the same input it should give the same result and the same side effects. As a consequence, this has a quite limiting effect on what smart contract can do. Smart contract has very limited ability to interact with the real world. But as we see in this case, in case of simple financial code, this is quite enough. And moreover, this restriction could be lifted a bit by means of oracles. But this is a topic of another video. Let's improve this code a bit. Here we still rejecting small payments, and in case of a large payment we are returning change. We added some computations to our smart contract, and I should note that computations are performed on each node and can't be free. Otherwise, attackers could perform a DOS attack on a blockchain. For example, in Ethereum you pay fees for computations, and in EOS you have to stake tokens to perform computations. Here we see that this is a small smart contract which allows Alice to receive payments for cakes. Let's enhance this example further. For each payment, Alice will give 1 token in return. Comes to mind example of a store where you pay for goods and receive ticket with number of your order printed on it, and you wait while your order is being prepared. This ticket is basically a token. Tokens are implemented by means of smart contracts, and information about token balances is stored on blockchain. Tokens initially created by Alice in our example, and Alice can give her tokens to another person as a return for payment. This is the code for our solution with token. Again, balances of token of Alice and of Bob stored on blockchain. Usually in blockchain you have to pay for the storage, and sender of transaction which writes to blockchain storage usually pays fee. As a result, now Alice can receive payment and can give a token in return for this payment. Basically, this is what all ICOs are doing, receiving payments and giving tokens. We see this is a simple financial code implemented as a smart contract. Again, it will be executed on every node of blockchain, have the same result. But it's inefficient for each bakery in a country to develop its own smart contract. Here's where Smartz platform comes in. Smartz platform helps user to deploy and manage customized smart contract, and Smartz platform helps developer to create and sell to many users customizable smart contracts. That's it for today. Thank you.